Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide from medicalrotations.com. In this video, we will show you exactly how to register your clinic. First, go to medicalrotations.com. Once you've created your user account, click on Login, select the Clinic / Hospital section, and click Continue. Next, fill in your organization's details along with your email and password. Then hit Continue. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Please open it and click Verify. Enter your personal credentials again to log in. You will see a notification stating that your registration is under review. Don't worry, this process is quick. Check your email again shortly for a message confirming that your account has been approved. Now log back into medicalrotations.com and click on the Add Rotation section. You will see two options, outpatient or inpatient. Select the one that fits your needs and click Continue. Choose the specialties you are interested in. Then enter your clinic's address and city information. Once completed, press Continue. In this section, select the specific type of student from the detailed list provided. Next, it's time to set the program fees. You can choose to charge by the hour or by the week. Pick the option that best suits your structure. Set the duration, number of weeks, and the number of available spots, then click Continue. Now upload photos of your clinic so we can showcase your facility, then click Next. If you are affiliated with a hospital, add that information here and press Continue. Next, add a brief description of your clinic including services offered, patient volume, number of students per month, procedures and activities performed. If you offer services in more than one language, be sure to include that here as well. Then click Next. If there are specific months when you're not eligible to accept students, you can block them out in this section. Please pay close attention to this step. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. You will see a final preview of all the data you've entered. Review it carefully and you're all set. Your registration is now complete. Thank you for choosing medicalrotations.com to manage your clinical rotations. We are dedicated to connecting medical students with quality clinical experiences across the United States.